Hi, so this video will demonstrate how to pair the remote control to the unit. So as you can see right now, when I press the remote control, nothing happens. Okay, now we turn the power of the unit off by pressing the test button. Okay, now we press once and hold for 3 seconds. Press once, hold for 3 seconds, and press once again, hold for 3 seconds. Now turn the unit back on and hold. You can see the 5 buttons, 5 lights blink, and now the remote control is working. I can turn off the night light. You can initiate the flush.